Day 7 of the 12 Days of Christmas DIYs, and today I'm sharing the easiest holiday project ever. These small lit Christmas trees. They're perfect for small spaces and apartments. These trees are festive, budget friendly, and no hassle. Let's jump in. Living in a small apartment, I didn't have room or storage for a full-size Christmas tree this year. I wanted something festive but compact and easy to store for next year. I found these gorgeous small lit trees at Sam's Club for $114, a steal compared to similar sets at other stores that cost over $350. They come pre-lit, frosted, and in burlap baskets, so they're pretty much perfect right out of the box. I just added a couple custom touches to make them my own. For this project, I'm working with a set of 3 small lit trees, black velvet ribbon to tie them into my decor, and sensicles for that classic Christmas tree smell. That's all it takes to make these trees feel extra special. My goal? Create a festive yet simple holiday display using these small lit trees. I'll start by adding black velvet ribbons for a modern cohesive look, then tucking the sensicles to bring in the natural Christmas tree smell. It's quick, easy, and perfect for anyone short on space. First, I fluffed the branches to give the trees a fuller look. Even though they come pre-lit and pre-assembled, taking the time to adjust the branches makes a huge difference in how they look. Next, I added the black velvet ribbons and tied a bow on each tree. This simple addition ties the trees into my overall holiday decor and adds a touch of elegance. The most challenging part was deciding where to place the trees. I wanted them to feel balanced and cozy without overcrowding the space. After a little trial and error, I found the perfect spot in my living room. Once the ribbons were on, I tucked in a few sensicles to give the trees that natural Christmas tree smell. Then I turned on the lights and the room instantly felt so warm and festive. This small display brings just the right amount of holiday magic to my apartment without taking up too much space. In the end, these small lit Christmas trees turned out to be the perfect solution for my space. They're festive, easy to customize, and so much easier to store than a full-size tree. This project reminded me that you don't need to go big to create a beautiful holiday setup. Sometimes small and intentional decor can have the biggest impact. Thanks for watching day 7 of my 12 Days of Christmas DIYs. Tomorrow, I'll show you how to create a pine cone centerpiece. See you there.